Where are you from?
I'm from China.
And what's your name?
My name is Yulin.
What brought you to South Korea?
First time I'm Chin student, and I like either the group Big Bang. So I come to Korea and study and living here
How long have you been here?
for 5 years.
I want to ask you, what's the Japanese sound like?
I don't know if you, but some Korea told me 그 중국 사람들이 말할 때 약간 싸우는 느낌이요. 근데 제가 보면은 약간 그 일본 사람이 한국 사람 말할 때 너무 부드러워요. 약간.
Japanese sounds like more soft
아,
than other.
Just but if you have restaurant or cafe, just Chinese talk, just like fight.
아,
Just like you